Hey kiddos, it's Mrs. Gershon here. Yesterday you had watched a video about revising and editing. Today we're going to do some revising of the space piece that I have put together for you. I'm going to go through and read, and our focus today is to eliminate what we call wishy-washy words and put strong words in its place. So wishy-washy words are words that tend to not really get right to the point. We want to get right to the point so our piece feels a lot stronger. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to read our first paragraph. So part of revising is always, always, always rereading. I'm going to take this paragraph by paragraph. I'm going to go through, I'm going to cross some words off. Because you are typed in a document, when you revise, you can either just add words in or delete words and retype them in. I'm just going to use the pen for modeling purposes only, okay? So let's take a look here. I'm going to reread my introduction, and I'm going to take any wishy-washy words out, and I'm going to put strong words in their place. It says, have you ever thought about taking a trip to space? I think traveling to space sounds like an amazing experience. I'm going to take out the words I think. Those are wishy-washy words. I'm just going to come in with traveling to space sounds like an amazing experience. So I'm going to make that T a capital T now. Traveling to space sounds like an amazing experience. I think those are really words that you don't need. Also words like kind of or maybe. Those words are wishy-washy. You want your audience to feel like you are very confident about what you are speaking about. So the next part says, let's see here, traveling to space would probably be a great experience because it sounds kind of fun. So we have some wishy-washy words there again. Traveling to space would probably, I'm going to take out probably. Traveling to space would be a great experience because it sounds kind of fun. I'm going to take that out. I'm going to take out kind of. It sounds fun. I think it would be fun to travel to space because the text states that riding on a spaceship feels like riding on a very fast roller coaster. Again, I'm going to take out I think. Just going to go ahead and say it would be fun to travel to space. I just love the fun of riding on a roller coaster. The text states that when you are in space, there is very little gravity holding you down. I think it would be so cool to feel what it feels like to just float around in space. Again, I'm going to take out I think. It would be so cool to feel what it feels like to just float around in space. I'm going to take out so cool, and I'm going to replace that with the word amazing. Or like a word like incredible. Those words are stronger words than the words so cool. Okay? Sorry, my handwriting's a little tough there. It is expensive to travel to space. The text says that it costs a lot of money. But just think, it would be so worth it to see Earth from outer space. You would never forget that experience. I'm going to actually change this last line. You would never forget that experience to, this would be a once in a lifetime. That just sounds so much more important and convincing. Lifetime experience. I'm having a very hard time typing on here. Okay. Or writing on here today. I believe that traveling to space would be an amazing opportunity. Please consider what it would be like traveling to space. What a wonderful opportunity for everyone. I kind of used a lot of the same words there. Maybe I can go back and change that up a little bit. So thinking about that, instead of, it says, the first line says, I believe that traveling to space, I can take that out. I can take this out and just say traveling to space would be an amazing opportunity. Please consider what it would be like traveling to space. I can take out traveling to space because I've already said that. Please consider what it would be like. What a wonderful opportunity for everyone. I've already used the word opportunity. What if I say, what an amazing experience. What an amazing experience for everyone. So revision is rereading your piece. Part of what we're doing today is we're taking out those wishy-washy words like think or kind of or maybe, or even words like a little, or whatever the case may be, words that don't sound confident. We want to replace them with confident words. Also, words that are not strong, we want to try to replace them with stronger words. Revision can also mean adding on. We'll talk about that a little bit tomorrow. But for today, we're really going through rereading our piece and trying to take out any wishy-washy words and replace any words that we have with stronger words that we could possibly think of. All right, kiddos, happy writing.